One of the most fascinating challenges in HR tech right now isn't just building AI, it's evaluating products that have AI layers on top of them. Think about it. We've got AI everywhere, screening resumes, recommending career moves, answering HR policy questions, even approving workflows. But here's the real question: how do we know it's actually doing its job well? Most evaluations today start with bias testing, and that's important. But fairness alone doesn't make a model competent, because a model that treats everyone equally while getting everything wrong is still wrong, and just consistently so. The real starting point should be capability. Can the model actually perform the HR task it's designed for? So let's break down what a strong evaluation framework looks like in HR tech today. Firstly, I would like to talk about task competence. Before anything else, can your model actually identify transferable skills, understand context, or is it just matching keywords? Second, bias and fairness. Once you've proven it works, then test for demographic and cognitive bias. A fair model only matters if it's already capable. Thirdly, you must also check for explainability hygiene. Can the system tell you why it made a decision? And can a human verify that reasoning? Fourthly, look for edge cases because real HR isn't neat. We all know industry nuances, process to process nuances vary. So, what happens when an employee's record contradicts itself, or when data goes missing, or when someone submits something which is completely unexpected? Fifth, benchmarking. Is the model actually better than baseline? If it doesn't perform, a recruiter um, who's doing it manually with a checklist, maybe it's not ready for prime time. Also, what about confidence calibration? Does your AI know when it doesn't know? Because false confidence in HR decisions can be costly and humanly unfair. And finally, are you doing continuous validation? AI models, as we know, they drift. HR data evolves. Testings shouldn't stop once the system goes live. Now, this looks like a little different depending on where you apply it. For knowledge bots, test for factual grounding and citation accuracy. Does it admit uncertainty, for example? For recruitment systems, look at context understanding and predictive accuracy. For talent mobility, check if it truly understands skill adjacency and growth potential. And for all your agentic applications, make sure it validates prerequisites before acting because auto approve everything is really not intelligence. It's automation without guardrails. The point isn't to distrust AI, however, it's to build trust through rigor. Just like we audit data security or compliance, model evaluation needs to be a standard discipline in HR tech. When we get this right, we don't just build efficient systems, we build trustworthy ones. And that's when AI stops being a black box and starts becoming a true partner in shaping the future of work. Follow me for more such insights.